If your Verizon phone displays searching network or no service, it means it can't connect to Verizon's cellular network. This prevents calls, texts, and data usage. The problem can stem from hardware, software, or network issues. Common causes include faulty SIM cards, software glitches, network congestion, or being in a dead zone. Understanding these causes is the first step to fixing the problem. Start with the basic troubleshooting steps. First, toggle airplane mode on for 15 seconds, then turn it off. This simple action refreshes the network connection. Next, restart your phone. A restart can often fix the searching network issue by reestablishing the connection. If these steps don't work, check your location. Ensure you're not in an area with poor coverage. Visit Verizon's coverage map at verizon.com/coverage to check for outages in your area. Finally, verify your bill is paid. Service suspension due to unpaid bills will cause this network searching issue. Your SIM card authenticates your phone on the Verizon network. Power off your phone. Locate the SIM card tray, usually on the side. Eject the SIM card using a SIM ejector tool or a paper clip. Inspect the SIM card for damage or dirt. Gently wipe it with a clean, dry cloth. Reinsert the SIM card securely. Power on your phone and see if the issue persists. A poorly seated or damaged SIM is a frequent cause. Now let's move to troubleshooting step 3, software updates and settings. Outdated or corrupted software can prevent network connectivity. Check for available software updates in your phone's settings, usually under About Phone or System Update. Install any pending updates. Also, verify your APN, access point name settings are correct. These settings tell your phone how to connect to Verizon's data network. Verizon's website provides the correct APN settings for your device. Sometimes forcing your phone to use a specific network mode like LTE only can resolve the searching network issue. This option is usually found in the mobile network settings of your device. As a last resort, you can reset your phone's network settings. Find this option in General Management or Reset in your settings. This will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth connections, but it can fix persistent connectivity issues. If none of the previous troubleshooting steps resolve the searching network issue, hardware damage might be the culprit. Look for common signs that indicate physical problems with your device. Common signs of hardware damage include visible cracks on the screen or body, which can disrupt internal connections. Water damage often shows as discoloration or moisture indicators, and a history of drops or physical trauma can cause unseen internal damage. Water damage is particularly problematic because it can corrode the internal antennas that your phone uses to connect to the cellular network, preventing proper signal reception. If you suspect hardware damage based on these signs, it's important to contact Verizon support or take your phone to a qualified repair technician for professional assessment and repair. If you've exhausted all troubleshooting steps, contact Verizon support. They can run remote diagnostics and check for account-specific issues. If your phone is under warranty, Verizon may repair or replace it at no cost to you. Before contacting them, gather your account information, phone model, and a detailed description of the problem. As Verizon expands its 5G network, older devices may experience temporary connectivity issues. Staying updated with software releases helps maintain compatibility with new network technologies. Staying updated with software releases is crucial for preventing network issues. Regularly inspect your SIM card for any signs of damage to avoid connectivity problems. In the future, eSIM technology will replace physical SIM cards, minimizing hardware-related network issues and offering more seamless connectivity across devices. Consider enabling Wi-Fi calling as a backup option. It ensures you stay connected through Wi-Fi networks when cellular signals are weak, providing reliable communication. Stay informed about Verizon's infrastructure upgrades, as these improvements may cause temporary service interruptions. Monitoring their status updates helps you prepare for any potential impacts. In summary, by keeping your device updated, preparing for future technologies, and utilizing backup connectivity options, you can effectively avoid and resolve searching network problems on Verizon.